Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 10 latest defense update. Number 1, MT-30 engines for warships to be produced locally. In a significant move towards enhancing its naval capabilities, India is on the verge of finalizing a deal for the local manufacturing of Rolls-Royce MT-30 turbine engines. This development is particularly pertinent to India's second aircraft carrier project and future warship programs, including the next generation destroyers. The recent briefing given to Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh during his visit to the UK underscores the strategic importance of this endeavour and Rolls-Royce's aspiration to become India's engine of choice for its naval fleet. Next, 91 Heron Mk2 UAVs to bolster surveillance power. The Indian Army forces are gearing up for a significant boost in their aerial surveillance capabilities. According to a Time Now report, a combined order for 91 Heron Mk2 unmanned aerial vehicles from Israel Aerospace Industries is on the horizon, with local manufacturing by state-owned HAL likely. Next, after Drishti 10, AD plans to expand UAV portfolio with tactical UAV. Adani Defence, having recently secured orders for the Drishti 10 drones, that is Hermes 900, medium altitude, long endurance unmanned aerial vehicles, is set to broaden its UAV portfolio with a strategic move to introduce the albeit developed Hermes 450. This smaller multi-payload unmanned aerial vehicle designed for tactical long endurance missions showcase Adani Defence commitment to diversifying its offering and catering to the evolving needs of the Indian military. Next, Tapas Mail UAV for Andeman Sea Patrol. The Indian Navy has set its sights on the domestically developed Tapas medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle for bolstering its surveillance capabilities in the strategically crucial Andeman and Nicobar Island. However, the Tapas drone spearheaded by the Aeronautical Development Establishment Laboratory faces a critical hurdle, falling short of meeting the Joint Service qualitative requirement of maintaining an altitude of 30,000 feet for over 24 hours. This has led to its temporary exclusion from the mission mode category of projects which prioritize faster deployment. Next, India and Brazil dive deeper with Scorpene Submarines. The Brazilian Navy's recent induction of the Humeta, the second domestically built Scorpene submarine, marks a significant leap in their maritime prowess. This milestone, achieved through a technology transfer partnership with French firm Naval Group, is part of Brazil's ambitious PRO-SUB program to bolster its underwater capabilities with 4 Scorpene-class vessels. Across the Indian Ocean, India's Navy is also making waves with its 6 Cavalry-class submarines, the local variants of the Scorpene design. Next, 5th generation anti-tank missile report. A landmark collaboration between European defense giant MBDA and Indian engineering prowess Larsen & Toubro promises to revolutionize the Indian Army's anti-tank capabilities. The joint venture aims to manufacture a 5th generation anti-tank guided missile code-named ATGM-5, offering unparalleled precision and lethality. Next, long-term cooperational framework on Chabahar Port. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Monday met Iran's Minister of Roads and Urban Development and discussed on establishing a long-term cooperation framework for Chabahar Port, a strategic maritime facility situated on the southeastern coast of Iran. EAM Jaishankar is in Iran as part of the ongoing high-level exchanges between the two sides, according to Ministry of External Affairs. Next. Rudram 2 ASM to be manufactured at Hyderabad Facility. A strategic partnership is taking shape in the Indian defense landscape, with the Adani Group committing 1,500 crore to establish Hyderabad as a hub for manufacturing air-to-surface missile. This investment, spread over the next 2 to 3 years, marks a significant step towards India's goal of achieving self-reliance in critical defense technologies. Next, MRSAM makes debut in Republic Day Rehearsal. The grand spectacle of the Indian Army's full dress rehearsal for the Republic Day parade on January 13th, held on the majestic Kartavya Path, was not just about marching bands and vibrant displays. It was a showcase of India's growing military prowess, featuring cutting-edge equipment including the Army variant of the medium-range surface-to-air missile. Next. INSAT 3DS satellites on GSLV F-14. The Indian Space Research Organization is riding the wave of a successful 2024, having already completed 2 major missions. Now, their sights are set on the first week of February for the launch of the INSAT 3DS satellite aboard the Advanced Geosynchronous Launch Vehicle, that is GSLV F-14, powered by liquid propellants. Thank you.